Yeah, and a lot of parts too. Dad, just bumped me in the camera recorder.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh, look at the bubbles.
In Tampa too.
Look at the bubbles, Alexander.
Look at that tree.
That's cool, right? Whoa, bubbles.
My face.
Trying to kill me.
Oh no. Come on. This way, this way.
Daddy, what else is doing
This
that?
way.
Oh. Where did I do? Oh, they just, I can't see. What are you doing now, Daddy?
Mommy needs to go to the rest of the place here.
What? My hair's already brushed. My hair's already brushed. Dad, can we see the birds first or see other stuff? And manatee. Yes, we can see other stuff too.
Huh? Alright, good. Let's go.
Yanni, come here.
The first, you saw that? Iris is like, oh.
Look at the trees.
Oh, look at that.
I found that pretty.
Halloween stuff. Now it's
Yes. Oh yeah, I don't go to it. It's terrible. So cheesy. Ugh. Look at that tree. Palm tree. Dad, I found a tree.
No, it's cool.
how nice that is.
Yeah, that's pretty. Look, the other stuff too. You can see other stuff. That camera feels so good. I feel horrible.
Come on, Poppy. Oh, sorry.
That's what I did.
I thought you wanted to see the birds
As
first.
I say, we see other stuff first too. You know?
The birds are that way.
Yes. Oh my gosh, the sun. Oh my. The sun is on the camera and I can't see. Bless you, Arthur.
It's on record. It's very
I'm so glad I have this.
Me too.
It's so beautiful.
This way.
Mama.
Oh, which one is it, love? Was it that way, the bird?
Yeah, they're right there.
It's right there.
Oh, this way.
Oh my goodness. What if my battery started draining? Are you serious? I'll just charge you. Your tablet? Yeah, just charge him. What number is it? 99%.
It's okay. It's still good.
You record a manatee too, Iris.
Oh, beautiful.
Iris, you record a manatee too. Mm-hmm.
This is safe. This is safe.
You record a
Oh, wow.
This is safe.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool, right, Alexander?
That's so safe.
Buddy. Ugh. What a pink birds? It's hard seeing them little pink birds. I feel terrible.
It looks very.
Good, Iris, I like it. No little boysenberry.
Oh, wow. Good eyes. No, those you don't eat.
Iris,
Good
don't forget to record a manatee. I know. You record all of them. That's so amazing. It's the part 1 and part 2 and part 3 and part 4.
Look, Iris.
It's hard to see.
Over here.
Oh,
Walk up so you can see it better.
alright. Oh, look, the gravestone.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look, I never noticed this. Mike Ash, 1950 to 2004.
Wow, he lived a long life.
Yeah.
It's a long life. Look at all the birds.
Oh, wow.
Long time.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look this bird. Look. It's a little bird.
I can't see the sun in my face.
Yeah, I did.
Darn it, I feel horrible. I didn't see them.
Here. Look at this here.
Shooting the way out. Wow. There's a lot of parts here. He's there. Wow, Mama, your voice.
Wait, puppy, wait.
Wait, Papa, come here.
No worries.
Mama, Iris, record walking to that part too, okay? Iris, record that part too, walking. Stop, Iris, don't stop recording, okay? Iris, don't stop recording, okay? Oh, sorry.
I'm in.
Come on, Alexander. He's holding the door for all of us.
I bumped the head of the camera. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry,
You
I'm so
smash your
sorry.
hand. We gotta do that public.
That's hilarious.
That is hilarious.
How did she smash the head of the car?
Hey, what?
She bashed her head at the camera.
Oh my God. Oh, look at that one there.
Oh, wow.
How would I do that?
What is it? I can't really see. What? Oh, wow.
Around, right? Ice cream truck.
I think so. Come on, Daddy, come on. Darn it. I missed it too.
Excuse me, Iris.
What?
You should walk on to iPad too.
Yeah, it is.
You can go longer.
That's fine. That's okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah, but this is oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That was the first time. I saw the bird up there. I saw the last corner. Like a statue.
Man, I'm so
Whoa.
Look at the fat. Oh my Lord.
What happened?
I'm so fat.
There's the camera. I can't see.
No.
I can't see.
No.
You have to see it. You have to see, Daddy.
No. I look like a fat boy.
No, you're not.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I didn't say that. Oh my God.
Oh.
Really? You felt embarrassed, Daddy?
You're so squeaky. That was the first time I recorded, Iris. Let's, Iris, keep filming and walking. Iris, keep walking and film. I missed the hot dog.
Just walking around the zoo. We just got here maybe 10 minutes ago. Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, you ordered a bird that passed.
I don't see them.
Yeah,
over
he's
here.
very restless.
Alexander! Grab it over here, please. I don't see it anywhere.
Yeah, of course.
Alexander, I have to
Yeah,
wait.
you always dress up.
Hey.
Alexander, stop close by the
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Wait, Papa, wait.
Alexander, right now.
Grab a side belly, please, on the floor.
Wait. Wait.
The bee is scared when he's on the
Come
car.
on. Don't be so don't be.
Alice, the bee's on the car.
Come on. Don't get scared of bees.
Look, it's on the car. I filmed that.
I know.
You filmed the bees on the car. I'm scared.
Really? You gotta stay still over there.
Yeah, you put the camera on the bee.
That leaf
Alexander, no.
Nice.
Please, no.
Come on.
Sorry, guys. my
It's
the
true.
Tesla.
It's true. It's like, man.
Iris. No, not yet.
Yeah, there's orangutan. See,
It's long videos? Yeah, long videos. Hey, part 2 after this. Okay. Part 2 after this we're with Mimo. Alright, Iris? Manatees. Manatee, I'm sorry, I say Mimo. Where do you say Mimo from?
Look how good. Look at that.
It was incredible.
Wait, did I see the kid be filming now? Film them now?
Looking at. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I saw that last week.
I'm getting hungry
Yeah,
now.
no, they're really close, right? They're like posing for it. I'm gonna have to take a picture and show you, bro. No, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a video and I'm gonna send it on WhatsApp.
Daddy, look. Dad. Daddy, I filmed them now.
No, they don't have it. I don't think they have it here. They have a dangle type, but not a white one. And Bush Gardens, they do.
Let up here. Sorry.
Hey, look, he's 50 on here, I don't know.
The beach is before your face, Iris. The beach
I
is
think
before.
probably they have it, but I haven't seen it. Oh my gosh, look, the baby.
Yeah, baby.
See, and look at that. And look at that one.
Yeah, I know. Say hello to Tio Jose. Atención.
Loud and frozen. I love them. Okay, let's keep walking.
Yeah, this is not that right.
There's
ones that are swinging across the circle.
I know.
He stayed down.
Come on, Iris, let's go.
Oh, look at the baby.
Oh my God,
You
so
sound
adorable.
all silly, right?
Come on, come on. Iris, come on, man. The bees on your ear.
There's a bee.
Okay, let's keep walking.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, bees don't scare you. They're honey. Okay, let's keep walking. Oh, darn it, I missed.
Look at his face again.
Oh, man, I love bees, guys. They're like very insects. Iris, keep walking. Come on. All right, let's keep walking.
All right, then. Okay, love you, Jose.
Damn it.
I'll talk to you later.
Awesome.
Bless you.
Oh my God, thank you. Daddy, I filmed it. Daddy,
You
I
filmed
filmed it.
Oh, nice.
but the
Good
bumblebee
job.
got distractions. I was like, why you got distracted by bumblebee? I missed.
Oh.
They got scared by the bumblebee. I'm like, come on. Come on. Come on. I don't get scared of bees. I love bees.
No, I'm
scared
not
of
either.
bees.
No, that's one.
You know, Daddy?
Huh?
I love honeybees. They're very important.
Honeybees.
Honeybees and honeybees are very important.
Oh,
I love bumblebees. They're so cute. You know, Daddy?
yeah, what?
The bumblebees are so adorable.
Mm-hmm. I know. What, the bunnies you said?
No, the bumblebees.
Oh, the
honeybees.
bumblebees. You like bumblebees?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah?
In the rain.
I love honeybees.
They bit my thumb. That's a big bug.
Wow.
Oh, it's not open.
It's not open. But wait a minute. Why would I go over there? That's
Where?
a storm. Why right there?
I don't know. You want to check it out?
Yeah. We'll go over there to where it echoes. Oh, where is the cupcake?
Man, that was a
Okay.
good view of the orangutan.
Dad, I filmed them. So good.
You filmed it when the
Yes.
baby
Yes, I
and then
did.
the mother came and grabbed
Yes,
it.
the bumblebee got distraction.
Yeah, because the other ones were going down, so they went to follow, I guess.
Yeah.
Walk to the right. Walk to the right.
I need that. Dad, after that, we would keep walking. We could do part 2. I would smack my face. Daddy?
Oh my God.
Where you going?
Huh?
You're not going over there, right?
But I'm
Come on,
Daddy,
go
how
across
would you
this way where the
manage?
animals are. Come on.
Sheesh. Going the wrong way.
Alexander, stop.
No, nobody's going in there.
No one. It's the wrong way. Walk over there.
Oh, see those animals? Okay, real quick. Come on.
I'm so hungry.
It's closed, and that's why I said.
It's closing. That's how we gotta walk.
There's something here.
Can we see the other side? Can we see the other side?
Get us something then.
Oh my God.
We'll just go in there and see what they have.
You know what they have. That wet food. Don't buy this stuff.
No, I'm
Daddy, I don't see any animals.
Oh, that's it. Oh, they're over there. They're over there.
Over there? Where? Fail! Fail. I don't know what that one was about. I'm not going to work on the gosh darn it. I did not even see this. A goat? I'm not going to go.
What you say, Alexander? You want to go in there? All right, go in there.
Yes, you're not supposed to go to the right.
going to go over there.
Look at the goats.
Yes, you want to see the goats? All right, that's what you do.
Hold up. Oh, my stomach. Dad, can we go to the other side with there's echoes, we've seen the meerkat or stuff?
Yeah, yeah. You want to cut it off for now, or you want to watch it?
I don't want to. I'm waiting for the other side.
I'm so hungry.
Oh, look at the goat. So cute.
It's on the table.
It's on the table.
Yeah, it's on
Yes.
the table.
It's probably just chilling.
That's on the table. You see that? Look, it's on the table.
Yeah, no.
That's the wash your hands one more time.
See?
Oh, no, it doesn't work. I have to sanitize from my hand.
Oh wow, I saw them too. Awesome. That's horrible.
Oh, look,
Oh my
there's one right there in the house.
Wow, I see them too. I see all three of them. Let me chill. Ow.
Oh my God, that one's like a brownie. That one's real pretty.
Oh, I know, they're beautiful.
So at least these not against me.
Rabbit, Saka. Saka is good at bumpy. It's all the color. Get rabbit.
Oh, look, there's one in the
I hate sticky stick. Yeah, in the
I really
house.
like. Now, can we go on the train? I really like that brown one with the bear. This way, Bobby.
Ah, it's part 2. It is. It's part 2. It's part 1. Oh, part 2 is the meerkat and part 3 is manatee. And at the end it's real because they
push. I can't read.
Really, Mama?
Come on, puppy.
Come on, Alexander!
I'll let you in the front here.
Ow! Saw my hand again.
I
I bumped the camera again. That don't work, Alexander.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy's over there. That's for they're little ones. That's different. That's for little kids, Alexander. Mama, why? Daddy's over there.
Oh, you didn't realize it could come out.
They're there. They're
You
there.
like it? Yeah, because that exit is there. Okay, let's start heading back. Oh, it's steep, but you got to walk around, not through there. It's going to be all wet. Let's start chicken up.
I know. What to?